John Coker with Coker Rehab. I had a nurse friend whose husband had an Achilles tendon repair with some post-op complications, and she asked me to put together a little home exercise program for him after his surgery. So I'm making this video for her and for her husband, and so this is just kind of off the cuff, kind of a phase 1 post-op Achilles tendon repair home exercise program. So in phase 1, just the first few weeks is very gentle, active range of motion exercises and probably some isometric exercises. So I'm just going to demonstrate those. So the first one, make sure you get my foot and ankle here, is most simple exercise is just up and down ankle pumps. And we'll do, I'll just do 10 for the sake of time, but you can work up to 20 on these. So we'll say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's plantar flexion, dorsiflexion. And then we'll go inversion, eversion. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I like to do circles. So 1, 2, 6, 10. And then we'll go the opposite direction. 8, 9, 10. Another one of my favorite exercises for range of motion is the ankle alphabet. So you do the alphabet with your foot. You can do it in capital letters, lowercase letters, or cursive. I'll do uppercase letters. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. The next one that's an easy exercise to do is sitting just in a chair and just do toe raises. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then dual raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The next one is a gentle calf stretch. So you can get a towel like this, put it over your foot, keep your knees straight, get it kind of down by your toes and pull back, just gentle, especially after complications. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and rest. And I like to do 3 of those. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The next one is isometrics. So with isometrics, you're strengthening the ankle, but you're not moving the ankle. So I could use something like this, this treadmill. And so I'm pushing inwards with my foot and I'm holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. That's inversion. And then we'll do eversion. So put it here, push out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. Then you can do
Plantar flexion, isometric, so push into the treadmill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just pushing into the treadmill with my toes. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then isometrics for dorsiflexion. Lift up with your toe under something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm trying to pull up like this. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last one I would do is a wall stretch for your calf. And on that, you want to put the affected leg back. So if this is the leg you had surgery on, put your hands like this. Bend the left knee forward and keep the right knee straight. And push your heel into the floor. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Again. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And rest. So that's a simple, quick phase 1 home exercise program after Achilles tendon surgery. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps my friend and her husband. And thanks to all our followers out there on Coker Rehab. And please like our page. Thank you. Bye.